Right, we're going to be drawing a church with some cool windows in it today. We're going to have a lot of fun. Why don't you join us? Stay tuned. All right, first of all, what we're going to do is draw the church itself. So what I like to do is I like to put a couple dots.
I could.
All right,
You
put a dot here.
Put dot here.
There.
Put a dot here.
There. Put a dot there.
Put a dot
And put
here.
a dot right there for the top of the steeple.
Now let's do.
What do? Connect the dots? This is kind of fun. Draw it.
Dad, I
here.
don't have to put a good one. I need to get a new one.
This is a lot of fun. So easy to draw with using dots. How you doing on your side there? All right, we've got the main frame of the church right here.
Now we do the door.
Okay, now we're going to put a door on the church.
Cut a rectangle.
Kind of a rectangle. I'm going to use the dot method again, just so it's going to be, just because like right now I kind of made it over a little bit too far, so I'm measure up my door, and then right over here. Put another 2 dots there, and right here will be like a curved line for the door. And then I'm going to bring my line down like this. Whoops, got bumped right there. That's okay. We have fun on here. We have little happy mistakes that happen all the time, but the main thing is to have fun drawing. It's so
now
peaceful.
we do the windows.
Okay.
I'll teach you how to do the windows. So.
Make some windows here.
A little bigger.
I'm still loving the dot method. And just because I got the dots here, I'm going to make them even on this side here. Because we want some sun to be shining through our church. And connect the dots again. And on the top of those windows, I'm going to make just kind of a half a circle. Like that.
This is what I do.
Do you have the sniffles there, Lucas?
Yeah.
I like your windows there. I'm going to put a little windowsill right here. And you know, when I do my coloring, I think I might do like a stained glass type of coloring right here. I'm going to make a cross in my windows so that when I start coloring, it'll kind of look like stained glass. All right, I'll make another cross over here. I'm going to try to make a smaller cross this time. There. And then I'm going to make some different lines that kind of go like that.
Daddy, can I start all over?
Sure, you can start over. Same thing. So I'm going to make some lines here. So that'll be really cool when I start putting different colors in there using my crayon. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. There. I think that'll turn out. Now, I've never drew a church before, and we're just having fun exploring. So each time you're going to draw it, it's going to get different and better. And just have fun with it. It's so peaceful to always just draw. And on top of the church, I'm going to put a cross up here too. There. I like that. And then on the outside, I'll probably do some grass right here, but that I'll use my crayon. So right here, I think I'm going to make a circle. And that'll be another stained glass here.
Yep. And kind of put an X in
and maybe
there,
I'll put another cross right
but
here.
you put a lick. No, look what I did.
Can never have too many crosses. Oh, I like yours.
That's where. Look. It has it on there. Now we can do a sun.
Okay. I think I'm ready to do some color time, but I need my crayons. So here I'm going to start coloring. I'll color the two crosses. Maybe I'll make them an orange color.
The saucers can be any color.
That's right, they can be any color you want them to be. Just happy crosses there, peaceful. And then just kind of start adding some different colors. Color in the square here, rectangle over here. Add some different colors. I love looking at stained glass windows. Isn't it pretty to look at those?
And look.
Maybe a little blue.
Look at mine.
What kind of blue is this? This is called a periwinkle. That's kind of a silly name for a crayon. Periwinkle. Can you say periwinkle?
Periwinkle. I don't have one of those in here. Saucers can be any color.
That's right.
Look, I found this color. Look at this color.
Oh, that's cool. So you can see that Lucas is using markers and I am using crayons. It's whatever you prefer. I feel I get a little better control using crayons, and he likes using the markers more.
I'm gonna make an orange actually.
This would be a nice church to go to and pray and thank God about everything that He's given us in our lives. So if you want to take a break from coloring the stained glasses on your church, you can always just put some grass in here. And then we'll put some flowers in there later on. Just so relaxing.
Yeah, so relaxing.
I'm going to use a brown for my windowsill here. Right there.
I'm gonna put some green wax.
Are you?
Yeah.
I think we'll make this
I don't
door
know.
brown.
I don't do the shot. Oh, no. I'm not going to.
It's kind of a bright color right here.
Come on.
Yeah.
I'm done with the shots already. I just got done with the shots.
Okay. So then we gotta color the church. I'm gonna make mine kind of a bluish color. So coloring with crayons, you don't have to be exact. You can just kind of have fun. I like to go in one direction though.
Look what I did.
Either up or down.
Look what I did, Alice.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Orange.
Paper over here a little bit sideways and put some clouds in. Just kind of
I could make
go
a
back
sun.
and forth.
I'm gonna make a sun.
What I like to do is go a little darker on the top and lighter as I go down. Just adds perspective and near and far. I'll just put a hint of blue over here.
There's a red at the bottom of the set.
Yeah. Now go in and put a little darker color right here. Maybe just a hint of purple in my sky.
Let me make my sky.
You know, it's just coming in here and experimenting with the different colors.
This is sky blue.
Right.
And this is sky
You
blue.
just can't go wrong. And sometimes if you can get in there, kind of smear the crayon a little bit with your finger. mix those colors a little bit.
Whoa, I didn't know you did that.
Yeah. So the thing with markers is you can't really mix the colors too much, but with the crayons you can. So I want to put in a little bit of more grass right here. Fill this in.
I'm gonna make it
Just short strokes. Happy strokes of happy grass. I'm just going to put some nice grass right here. And I'm going to make a path that leads to the church. And adding a little bit of a perspective here. Color in my path.
How did it do that?
I started here and I angled the lines back there so that it makes it look like it's going off into the distance. Maybe I'll put some there, and then I'll add the rest of my grass here.
Now I put some
Just
red,
some lines here.
some red on the side.
Fill it in with some lines.
Now I put some red on the side. Putting red on
This
the
grass, wouldn't that feel nice to just go barefoot in this grass? Bet that would feel good.
side. Yeah. I wish I could go to this church.
You know what? You can go to this church anytime you want to because now you've made it. This church is right here. This is the neat thing about drawing is you get to create the worlds that you imagine. It's a beautiful place and you can show others. We love drawing on this show. It's so relaxing and I hope you had a good day today drawing with us. Make sure you check out our other videos on this show and we'd love to have you subscribe, send some comments and feedback, and just have a beautiful day. God bless and have a great day. Adios. Bye-bye.